Hello guys, this is Amrit Manadar on behalf of Cloud IT Tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about digital circuits. This whole video series is dedicated on digital circuits. I am first going to introduce about CPU here. CPU is Central Processing Unit. It's like the brain in our human body. It is the electronic circuitry within our computers that carries out instructions of a computer program. Generally, computer program is the list of instructions that can be provided to the computer. These instructions perform the basic arithmetic, logical, control, and input-output operations. So, CPU is the electronic circuitry to perform different operations according to the instructions that is provided to the computer. As we know, when we talk about CPU, we will generally define this virtual box as CPU. But actually, what CPU is and how it's look like is this one. This is the CPU that can be fitted on our motherboard. This CPU performs all the arithmetic, logical, control, and input-output operations on our computers. Generally, our digital computers or any digital devices like our smartphones, smart TVs, all works on digital data that is represented in binary by 0 or 1. When we type 2 plus 2, it actually converted into binary. We generally pass input signal by pressing input characters on keyboards. They converted into binary numbers and they are passed to our processor. Our processor performs arithmetic operations or logical operations according to the requirement, and it generates outputs and displays it on the screen. Control units accepts the binary for of instructions and interprets the instruction to generate control signals. Generally, our CPU consists of two parts. One is ALU and another is control unit. This control units generate control signals from the binary instruction that is provided to our computer. These control signals then directs the ALU to perform specific arithmetic or logical function on data. As you can see in this diagram, this represents the machine cycle. Control units fetch the instructions from the memory, that is our RAM, then decodes that instruction into commands and generate control signals from that and pass that control signals to arithmetic and logical units. Then it performs arithmetic and logical operations according to the control signal provided by control unit, and the results is stored in the memory. So first control receive information and convert the signals. This received information is converted to a signal and then signal is sent to the processor and that processor carries out that command. As you can see in this diagram, these operand registers are the data on which control signals are to be implemented. This operand registers has some value within it and that value is inputted to ALU and control signals from control unit is also passed to the ALU, and according to that control signal, the ALU operates on the values that are passed from operand registers, and after operations either that can be arithmetic or logical. It generates the results, and that results is stored in the registers. So operands and operators works according to the control signals that is passed to the ALU. In our logical motherboard, our ALU looks like this. This is the simple form of ALU. In our modern computers, the ALU circuits is more complex than what we are looking now. Thank you. Please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Cloud IT Tutorials. We are going to discuss more about digital circuits in upcoming videos. Thank you.